What if I told you that your medication are only half the battle against rheumatoid arthritis? Millions of people with rheumatoid arthritis take their medication faithfully, and still they wake up stiff, exhausted, and feeling like life is just passing by. Pain managed, but life still unlimited. That's because most treatment plans focus only on medication and symptom management, and they completely ignore the lifestyle factors that science now tells us can change everything. Today, I am going to share a system backed by the American College of Rheumatology and the European League Against Rheumatism that combines 7 daily habits with strong support network to help you not just manage but to thrive with rheumatoid arthritis. And it is called NESSCAR, N-E-S-S-C-A-R, a better way to live with rheumatoid arthritis. Less pain, more mobility, and long-lasting joy in your life. Here is the reality. RA is more than just joint inflammation. It brings fatigue, poor sleep, stress, loss of independence, and the side effects from the medications. And when treatment focuses only on suppressing your symptoms with medication, patients like you are left dealing with all of those symptoms on your own. Research shows that over 60% of the people with RA have at least one sleep problem. Poor sleep does not just make you tired. It actually drives more inflammation and more pain, creating this vicious circle. Stress and depression are just as common, and they directly worsen your disease activity and your risk of disability. So the real question isn't whether lifestyle matters in rheumatoid arthritis. The science is clear that it does. The question is, how do you actually put it all together in a way that's practical and sustainable? That's exactly what NESSCAR does. If you want to learn more on how to use this system, stay until the end to learn how you can transform your life using our NESSCAR system. Now let's dig deeper into NESSCAR. NESSCAR is a system of 7 daily habits plus a strong support network that works together. It works together with your medications. Each letter stands for one pillar, and every single one is backed by published research. Let me walk you through them. N, nutrition. Eat to calm inflammation. The American College of Rheumatology now recommends a Mediterranean diet for rheumatoid arthritis. Colorful vegetables, olive oil, fish, whole grains. Studies show it reduces pain and joint swelling. Food is medicine. And this is the one diet with real science behind it for rheumatoid arthritis. E for exercise. Keep your joints moving. This is the only strong recommendation in American College of Rheumatology integrative guideline. Whether it's walking, swimming, yoga, or resistance training. Consistent exercise improves pain and your physical function. Your joints were made to move. When you stop moving, you lose them faster. S is for sleep, healing during rest. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. But when your sleep is disrupted, it activates inflammatory pathways that make your rheumatoid arthritis worse. Fixing your sleep isn't a luxury. It's a part of your treatment. S is for stress care. Calm the nervous system, calm your immune system. Perceived stress causes worse pain, more fatigue, and lower physical function. Cognitive behavioral therapy and mindfulness have both been proven to reduce pain in rheumatoid arthritis. Managing stress is managing your disease. C for checkups. Stay ahead early. RA does not just affect your joints. It affects your heart, your lungs, your bones, and other organs. Regular checkups help catch these problems before they become a crisis. A is for avoid triggers. Reduce inflammation triggers. Smoking, excess alcohol, highly processed foods, and overexertion. These can all set off a flare. Knowing your triggers and avoiding them is one of the best things you can do in managing your rheumatoid arthritis. R is for relationship. Heal together. Research studies shows that patients with low social support have significantly higher disability. You were not meant to fight this alone. Your relationships are part of your treatment plan. Please stay until the end. I'll give you 3 important checklists that you can use it today to fight against rheumatoid arthritis using our NESSCAR framework. Stay until the end. Now, I gave you these 7 habits that are powerful on their own. But at the center of NESSCAR is something that holds it all together. And we call this 4F foundation. Number 1, faith. Whatever gives you hope and purpose in your life. Family, the people who show up for you. Friends, your community, your tribe. And the last, fulfillment. Doing what brings you joy despite the diagnosis. These are all not just nice ideas. Social connection and purpose are scientifically linked to better outcomes in rheumatoid arthritis. So don't underestimate the power of this 4F. Let me be clear here. NESSCAR is not about replacing your medications. This is about completing your treatment plan. Every single pillar is backed by guidelines from American College of Rheumatology and the European League Against Rheumatism. And all of these are based on science. And the science is clear. Lifestyle plus medical care together produce better outcomes than medications alone. Because you deserve more than just the medications and managing your symptoms. You deserve a transformed life. Life is bigger than your rheumatoid arthritis diagnosis, and you deserve to live it fully. Now, as I promised, here is your bonus, the NESSCAR Quick Start Checklist for today. 3 things you can start from tonight. Number 1, eat 1 anti-inflammatory meal. Add some leafy greens, olive oil, or a piece of salmon in your plate. Just 1 meal. That's your N. And number 2, walk for at least 10 minutes. Not an hour, not a marathon, but just 10 minutes. That's your E for exercise. And number 3, go to sleep at least 30 minutes earlier tonight. Put the phone down, dim the light, and give your body the rest it's begging for. That's your S for sleep. These are 3 simple steps, 3 letters from our NESSCAR, and the beginning of a completely different way to live with rheumatoid arthritis. Now, if you are ready to go deeper, I have put together a free guide that walks you through the entire NESSCAR system, step by step, with practical actions for every single pillar. Please click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on the screen to sign up for your free NESSCAR guide and transform your rheumatoid arthritis journey. And if this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear about this. Because fighting misinformation and transforming your lives, that's what we do in our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the NESSCAR is your vehicle for transformation, for less pain, more mobility, and long-lasting joy. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.